Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'll show you how to fix the ChatGPT error. Something seems to have gone wrong on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. Step 1. Try the retry button. Guys, if you search something on ChatGPT and see this error, first of all click the retry button 4 to 5 times. In most cases, simply retrying helps and the response begins to load. So don't skip this simple step before moving on to the solutions. Method 1. First close the ChatGPT app and reopen it. For this, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle. You'll see all open apps in a carousel. Now find the ChatGPT app and swipe up on its preview to force close it. Now reopen the ChatGPT app and check if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Update the ChatGPT app. Using an outdated version of the app can cause problems. Open the App Store on your device. Now tap the search icon at the bottom right. Next, type ChatGPT in the search bar and tap on it. Tap on the ChatGPT app. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Method 3. Check date, time and time zone. Guys, incorrect date or time settings can also cause this error, so make sure the date, time and time zone are correct in your device. To check this, open the settings. On the settings, swipe down and tap General. On the General menu, find and tap Date and Time. Here, make sure your date, time and time zone are correct. If not, correct them. If possible, enable set automatically. Method 4. Reset network settings. Guys, if the issue is still not fixed, try restarting your network settings. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Once you are in the settings, swipe down and tap General. Then swipe all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset network settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi networks, so you'll need to reconnect afterwards. Method 5. Clear app cache. Guys, if trying all these solutions doesn't solve the problem, then clear the app cache once. You cannot directly clear the app caches on your iPhone, but you can. Delete the ChatGPT app and reinstall it from the App Store to reset data cache.